Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rotate watermark in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select here watermark option. I will add watermark and select Add watermark. And this watermark text watermark box and type your watermark name and type your rotate and select this font option. I will select this watermark color. Select here. Select this color select okay color now change and this is watermark rotation. You can type your custom rotation angle and put your rotation minus 90 and say this watermark now change rotation, also make it 100 110 and says watermark. In this you can rotate your watermark, also change water opacity and make it 70. Now select all pages or select pages and simply select OK. And since our watermark now rotate. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.